In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and open the Shopify Image Importer plugin. We'll move through a simple, reliable path so you can get exactly where you need to be without confusion. Before we start, make sure you're on your main dashboard where you normally manage your tools and integrations. Now look for the action icon. Depending on your interface, this might appear as a gear, a three-dot menu, or a small grid of squares. It's typically located in the top bar or along the left sidebar. Clicking this icon opens the master menu where you can access advanced features and extensions. If you don't see it right away, hover over the navigation options and it should become visible. From that menu, choose plugins and widgets. This section is your hub for expanding what your workspace can do. Plugins are add-ons that extend functionality, and widgets often provide quick access tools or visual components. Opening this area ensures you're looking at all the available integrations in one place, along with search and filter options to help you find the right tool faster. Next, use the search bar and type Shopify. Keep it simple, and lowercase is fine. Search is usually not case sensitive. After you type it, give the results a moment to load. If you see a long list, you can narrow it down by filtering to integrations, e-commerce tools, or image-related plugins, depending on what filters your platform provides. If results don't show right away, check your spelling, clear any active filters, and try again. You should see several Shopify-related options, including importers, connectors, and syncing tools. When you spot Shopify Image Importer, click on it to open its detail page. This page typically includes a description of what the importer does, screenshots, version notes, and permissions. The Shopify Image Importer is designed to help you bring product images from your Shopify catalog into your workspace, keeping visuals consistent and saving you from manual uploads. Take a moment to review the overview so you understand how it handles image mapping, supported formats, and any limitations. It's also a good idea to glance at the developer information and recent updates to ensure the tool is actively maintained and compatible with your setup. That's all you need for now. Open the action icon, go to Plugins and Widgets, search for Shopify, and click on Shopify Image Importer. With those steps, you're exactly where you need to be to learn more about the tool and prepare for your next move. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next